You are welcome to submit your entries for each of the deadline dates. So you can submit if you have all of your clothing and communications or bucket of junk entries in, and we will go in and we will approve those entries. You can submit after you complete your animal ID on June 15th, and we will approve those entries, which would then unlock your system so you can go back in, and by July 15th, then you can enter your static exhibits and submit that invoice. If you submit your invoice in between children in your family, it will lock your account out until staff either approve or reject those entries. We check it every day while we're at work, but we do not check it on the weekends, so keep that in mind as you're making your entries. If you have another child in your family, you can register another exhibitor, individual. And in my case, since I don't have another child listed in the family, it's letting me go in and create a new exhibitor. We do not want to use that for 4-H online families because this will bring up your Dropbox where you can click the little button next to the name of the child that you're wanting to register for. So we'll back out. Let's pretend that we worked on that. And let's pretend this is a new exhibitor. We'll add the entry. And let's say this time we want to work on static exhibits. So we go down to where it says static. Static means non-living exhibit. That would be your exhibit hall and your 4-H building exhibits, anywhere ranging from food and nutrition and clothing all the way up to woodworking, vet science, things like that. Select, pick your category that you're going to be making an entry in. In this case, I'm choosing family and consumer science. And I want to add, I think we'll be making some chocolate chip cookies. So prepared products, continue, my club, continue. And it is optional, but you are definitely welcome to upload photos of your prepared food exhibit. If you don't have photos or don't want to upload those, you can continue through. And then you're good. And let's say this is all that my exhibitor is going to be doing. So we will continue to payment. Everything will be zero because we do not charge any registration fees in our county. Continue. It's telling us that a payment method is not necessary. Continue. And if I'm ready, I've got all of my family members entered, I go over here, click agree to the statements once I've read them, and submit. Your entries have been submitted to the county extension office. Good job.